How to detach the scopes window here in Davinci Resolve and make it float somewhere up here. Simply come here to this icon, those 4 arrows, it says expand. Click on that expand button and now the scopes window is floating. Now you can see the scopes and let's see the keyframes at the same time. Why you would need this one? It's because this one has zoom, you can zoom in and out and you can see the keyframes in more details, you can have more precise control, whereas up here you cannot zoom in and out, you can just go forward and backward. To make this window go back to its original place, simply close it using this X. And it's back. Now you can see the keyframes and the scopes. So this icon is responsible for making the scopes window float.